Hey everybody, it's Jim T with Key, the realtor from BG, coming at you live from the White House in Bowling Green, Ohio. Today's market update, we're covering Wood County Northwest. That's area 51 on the MLS. It's everything north of US 6 and west of State Route 25, and it excludes areas 53 and 55 in the MLS. So let me take you over to the map so I can give you a visualization of what that looks like. So here's a rough map of Wood County, and what we're looking at for northwest Wood County is this area up here. So that includes Grand Rapids, Tuntogany, all the way up to just south of Waterville. So this is northwest Wood County for anybody that know where that might be on the map. So taking a look at the data that the board has provided us, we're looking at October of 2020 and comparing it to the data provided to us from October of 2019. And what we're seeing is that amount of new listings in 19 to 20 has not changed too much. In fact, they're pretty much identical. Pending sales have increased a little bit in 2020, as has closed sales, and the days on market until the sale have gone up a little bit to 97. The average month's supply of inventory for this area has remained fairly flat. However, this is still very, very low for what we need to see in order to see equilibrium, which is causing prices to continue to kind of drive up a little bit. If we're looking at the median sale price, it's gone up 6.3%. And if we compare that to January of 2019 through the end of October of 2019, and compare that year over year to January of 2020 through the end of October of 2020, the average sale price in this area has gone up to 15.2%, and the median sale price has gone up 16.3%. And if we look at the new listings, we're actually down year over year, this time last year by 13.3%. And what that's causing is percent to list price received is houses that have been listed in this area are going for above asking price on average. That means 101% of asking price. So if hypothetically you had a house listed for $100,000 in this area, expect to receive $101,000 based on this trend. And much of this is derived right here through the month supply of inventory. If we're not seeing the 4 to 5 months of inventory that we need to create equilibrium, I project that housing will continue to rise in this area. So if you own a house in this area, you're doing really, really well. If you wanted to move, you might be surprised what your house is worth. In fact, if you have any specific questions pertaining to your home's specific value, I encourage you to reach out to me anytime, and I'd be happy to go over that information with you. This is, again, single-family housing in northwest Wood County. If we hop over here to condos, villas, there's just not enough data to extrapolate anything meaningful because year-to-date last year versus year-to-date this year, there's 4 new listings total and 1 new listing this year. That's not enough data to create any kind of meaningful trend line, so that's why you're seeing data all over the place. Whereas median sales price in single-family houses for the 12-month rolling average calculations, if we go back to 2020, that number appears to be about $155 is the average sale price in 2010 of January 2010. If we look at January 2020, that's now close to almost $200,000. So a net increase of about $40,000 over a 10-year span. Not a bad increase for anybody that's owned real estate in that area, especially if you're thinking about downsizing, upsizing, moving to a different, warmer climate. Who knows? You might be surprised what your home is worth. Again, this is Jim T with Key, the realtor from BG, signing off. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.